How much does it cost to change life? To not only destroy it, but alter its course forever? How much does it cost to change, to cause an ecological destruction? The answer is 25 cents. I don't know where the score is going to go, but when I put this in there, okay, there's a little bit of moss, and there's rocks at the bottom with some thing to keep the rocks from separating from the dirt. So far, this has been thriving, and I kind of want to see what happens if I do this. Okay, my quarter's under there. Wait, is that what they just happened? And, yeah, literally nothing changed. The 25 cents causing the apocalypse. What? Okay, now, wait, yeah, it's refusing to do something, which, wait, what? This is anticlimactic. The only thing that came down was this little piece of plastic that I think may have came from this. It broke, kind of. Well, at least I gotta keep my quarter.